Monitor box. Good. Very good product. It's IPS Slim monitor. Worth the money. Comes with 2 HDMI port, headphone and DVI port. I was very confused in few more brands. I do multiple stuff in my PC, mostly gaming, streaming, video editing and movies. I was concerned about viewing angle, but honestly after this purchase I never regret my decision in choosing this. Excellent viewing, very thin bezel, great picture quality, great features and color and picture adjustment in built speakers. I never used it as have-I woofers, but it could be a great feature too. Bought it for my PS4. It's working great. The colors are vivid, sound is unexpectedly very good. I would definitely recommend it. Let me first thank Amazon for delivering product on time even in challenging situations here in Mumbai due to COVID-19 lockdown. Actually I ordered same product on Flipkart at 14,999 because this product was not available in Amazon on that time, but Flipkart was undeliverable the product on its Promi. Performed all the checks one is expected to do when you get one of these, all good. It's a 60 Hz monitor. It's not ideal for gaming only, and only if you are that hardcore competitive gamer who wants everything before everyone. You wouldn't be looking for this if you are one of them, but for the rest 90% plus people who enjoy gaming and wants to have fun, this would do pretty good. I do play a lot of games and I haven't had any issues. 60 Hz is all you need TBH. Coming from a TN panel, the difference is day and night both in terms of color reproduction and viewing angle. This having an IPS will also help the folks with editing work. Why not 5 stars? The delivery. Absolutely horrendous. Delayed for 2 days. Had to write emails to get a proper communication about what's going on. The product itself is good. Sabr ka phal mithe wala logic probably. Excellent product in 1400. I'm in love with this monitor. Its style and the black-silver combination. Woo. That's so stunning. Great picture quality and gives a total boost to my setup with a premium look. Yeah, the stand is a bit wobbly. But I think we are not gonna do any action with the monitor, so not a problem. This is one of the best investment I have ever made in a display. There are lots of reasons why I chose this display over any other display that is in its price range, and some are even cheaper. Color and contrast is mind-blowing. While comparing it with my laptop screen, you can clearly see the difference between the color grading. The display is almost bezel-less and you will love to do photo editing as well as video playback on it. I do a very little gaming, but despite the refresh rate being 60 Hz I didn't notice any lag while the gaming. I have lots of gadgets that connects via HDMI and I also have a home theater system. The best part was that I was able to connect the monitor directly to sound system using the 3.5mm audio jack, and I only have to connect HDMI cable for both audio and video. The traditional VGA cable allows you to connect your old PC with ease. I was amazed to download its Windows software WHI. Because it's not like you are going to use it in your car or train. Once the monitor is placed on the table or wall mounted, it won't matter if the stand is wobbly or not as long as you don't touch it. Overall I am very happy with my purchase and this couldn't get any better. The best monitor on a budget. Colors are very accurate. Can compete with older MacBooks. Even though it says 99% sRGB, it is closer to 80 to 85% of the sRGB gamut when checked on the Spider 3 and 4. Works like a charm with the Mac and Windows. Every photographer's, graphic designers must have budget monitor. The speakers, however, are complete rubbish. It's incredible, especially in sound and picture quality. And I also impressed with build quality. Amazing product. Had an LG monitor Flatron, used it for 5 years. Hoping even this gives me the same level of service. This has 3 years of warranty, which is a big plus. Good product. I have spent 3 days choosing this monitor which suits my requirements, work, movies and budget. I bought this monitor for 14,800 rupees, received on the 19th of June 2020. I ordered it on the 15th of June 2020. It delivered well at my doorstep. It is beautifully designed with white, silver color. I have been using it daily 8 to 9 hours. The screen quality is really good. It has inbuilt speakers which are also good for a normal room, study, bedroom, not for big halls like drawing, dining room. You might face difficulty in listening in fan speed. But overall good speakers. It has 2 HDMI slots to connect laptop and Fire Stick. Yes, it supports Fire Stick. 1 VGA slot to connect laptop, CPU, audio in, use monitors, speakers via aux cable, audio out to connect external speakers or headphones, slots. There is no USB slot and Bluetooth feature. What's in the box? 1. It has stand with screws for putting on table. 2. 1 HDMI cable. 3. 1 adapter for power. 4. Manual book with CD and warranty card. Note: no VGA cable. I needed a decent monitor for work and I am really happy with the purchase. The monitor looks so beautiful and the bezels are so thin that you will fall in love with the display instantly. Amazing products, performance superb. Edit: I bought this from Amazon on the 4th of December 2016. The color reproduction is great, bezel-less display is a treat to watch. People can't stop admiring my monitor. All in all, it was a great investment. After 1 year of usage, it has developed red spots and there is an issue of automatic brightness levels. 1 month's MAI lining आ गया. Excellent monitor. It's really a great monitor. Must buy this product. I highly recommend this one. Best in class colors, great design. Simply awesome. The sound is great too, vocals are very clear. Every aspect is best in class. I had purchased this product from Amazon. By this seller Appario Retail Private Ltd, but as you can see in the attached images, there is some faded blue color coming on the screen. I don't know whether it is due to some packaging issue or technical defect from LG. So I requested replacement for this. Otherwise the monitor has great resolution with good response rate. Nice viewing angle and color, best if you get under 12,000. Great monitor. Beautiful design, clean menu system. Too damn crisp. No ghosting and perfect color reproduction. Had been very pleased with this. Very good picture quality. Comes with an HDMI cable too. Color accuracy is mind-blowing. Amazing monitor. Just loving it. Perfect size, amazing color, great viewing angle, 3 years of warrant. What else do you want? Just one small tips, if you are using it with NVIDIA graphics card, use YCbCr 444 output color format instead of just RGB. Click link in description for more reviews.